Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPad has power. Plug it in and wait 5 minutes if the battery is dead. Once charging, perform a force restart. Press volume up, then volume down, then hold the power button until the Apple logo appears. If you're using cases or accessories, remove them now and try again. This clears many temporary freezes because it resets active processes without erasing data, so you can often return to your apps in seconds. If a restart didn't help, connect the iPad to a computer and use Finder or iTunes to check for updates or reinstall iPad OS. You may need to put the device into recovery mode. Follow the button sequence for your model so the computer can detect it for repair. Once connected, choose Update first to preserve data. If Update fails, choose Restore but make sure you have a backup. This process addresses corrupted system files or failed update. To finish, perform a factory reset only after you've backed up. Go to Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPad and erase all content and settings. This removes problematic settings or apps that survive softer fixes. If software restore didn't help, inspect hardware. Test the charging cable and port and watch for swelling or overheating. Those are signs for professional repair. If the iPad remains unresponsive, try DFU mode or contact qualified service. Note
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.